This animation video channel is making a huge amount of money from YouTube. You can also generate a substantial income by uploading this kind of animated video. We will learn how to make animation with AI. Let's dive in. First of all, we need a story for our video. As usual, we will use Chat GPT for story generation. Go to Chat GPT and give the prompt for your story. I am using the prompt. I am adding another line. The story should involve a boy and a rabbit. This way, Chat GPT will generate a unique story in the selected topics. Okay, Chat GPT has generated the story. Now, I will give another command. I want to make an animated YouTube video with this story. I will make this video with images and voiceover. Suggest images for every scene. It will help us with our visual imagination. Okay, our story and image generation are now complete. Let's copy the story and paste it into a document file. Our first step is complete. Now it's time to generate images for our video. To generate images, we will use a free text-to-image tool called Leonardo AI. First, copy the image suggestions for the first scene. Then, go to Leonardo AI and select an AI model. I am selecting Luna because it generates images in a cartoon version. Simply click on Generate with this model. Select your image dimensions and paste the image prompt. As Leonardo AI doesn't know who Tim is, I am giving proper instructions that Tim is the name of a boy. Now, click on Generate. I think this image is perfect for our story. Download the images. Next, generate the second and third images using the same process. When finished, sort them. After finishing image generation, now we will add animation effects to our images. Another awesome image-to-animation tool that will help us animate our images is LeaPix AI. Now, click on Upload here. LeaPix will take some time to animate your images. You can customize it here using depth maps. After editing, click on the Share button here and download it in MP4 format. Convert all of your images using the same process. Our third step is now complete. Now, let's generate audio for our video. To generate audio, we will use an awesome text-to-speech AI tool named Jenny. You will find the link in the description. If you are new to Jenny, create an account and log in. After logging in, create a new project. Select all sections and delete them. Now, select a spokesperson and choose your voice model. There are a huge number of voice models in different languages and accents. Select one of them. Now, copy the story from the document and paste it into the text box of Jenny AI. Click on Select All and then click on Generate. It will take some time to generate the audio. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our audio is now ready. Click on Export and then click on Download. Our fourth step is complete. Now, we will make videos with animation and audio. You can use any kind of video editing software or AI to do this. I am using Filmora for editing, as it is easy for new creators. First, import all the animations into the Filmora media window, and then import the audio file generated by Jenny. Insert the audio file in the timeline and synchronize the animation with the audio. Give proper time for editing. After finishing your edit, export the video. Our video is now ready.
In a quaint little village lived a curious young boy named Tim. Tim was known for his kind heart and love for animals. One sunny morning, while exploring the woods near his house, he stumbled upon a small rabbit trapped in a thorny bush. The rabbit looked frightened and was struggling to break free. Tim's compassionate nature took over, and he carefully approached the rabbit. With gentle hands, he untangled the rabbit from the prickly trap. The grateful creature hopped around joyfully, wagging its fluffy tail. From that moment, an unbreakable bond formed between Tim and the rabbit, whom he named Whiskers.